Extra, read all about it. The Ninja Luxe Cafe Pro ES701 is finally available, at least in the USA. Very nice. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about 3 points. Number one, the availability of the ES701 on the Ninja website in the States. Number two, we're gonna compare it as well as we can to the La Specialista Opera by Delonghi. And number three, we're gonna talk about availability also in Europe. To begin with, I think it's really cool, and I wanted to make this video to alert you guys that the ES701 is finally available in the USA. So the ES701, this is the 601, by the way, which I was already very impressed with. And this is actually my product of the year, 2024, for all the features it offers for a price of $550. That's redonkulous. But what does the ES701 offer for 150 bucks more? It offers, first of all, a thicker steam wand. So this is a pretty thin one here on the ES601. It's not a non-burn, so you gotta wipe that sucker off real quick after steaming milk. The ES701 is gonna have a thicker one. I believe it's also a non-burn, so it's easier to clean off. That's nice. Also, the ES601 had one major omission, and that is no water spout anywhere. Well, the ES701 does finally come with a water spout, which is awesome. Also, the ES601, at least in the States, only came with one basket, and that was a double. So the ES701 is going to come also with a single basket, and therefore you can make ristrettos and a single espresso. Oh, I did just make an error. This actually came with two baskets. It came with both the double plus the Luxe, so you can make a quadruple espresso in here, or you can make brewed coffee, which is very cool. But the ES701 also comes with a single, which is super nice. And I think really the biggest feature that the ES701 offers over the ES601 is the fact that it comes with an integrated tamper that you can just put down the lever on the side after grinding. That's gonna be really sweet. So this one on the ES601, you actually need to use the funnel when you put it in the cradle. And then after grinding, you have to remove it, and you've got to tamp it out that way. So it's going to be slicker on the ES701 because instead you just keep it in here. Don't have to screw around with the funnel, and this is junk anyways, mine already broke. And then when it's finished grinding, then you can just tamp it on the side. That's going to be sweet. So let's compare what I think the ES701 is going to be compared to the La Specialista Opera model. All right, here we've got the La Specialista Opera model. I think it's very comparable to the Ninja Luxe Cafe. So this one's got the integrated tamper in it, just like the ES701 is going to have. And it makes cold drinks, just as the Ninja Luxe Cafe makes cold drinks. They're really similar models, to be honest. Couple of differences. I think aesthetically, the La Specialista looks nicer. Also includes a manometer. Something to be aware of is that on the Delonghi you got a 51mm portafilter, and on the Ninja you got a 53mm portafilter. They look different. You can see the Ninja is really thick to accommodate, or really deep I should say, to accommodate that quad shot basket. And there's no bottomless option for this one. So that's kind of a minus point for the Luxe Cafe. If you like to watch your shots come out, there is bottomless options available, or there are bottomless options available for the La Specialista. With all of that stuff being said, I do think that the Ninja actually offers more advantages over the Opera. I feel like drink quality is very similar between the two. They both make, in my opinion, nice espresso, quite nice espresso. And they both seem to include some kind of pressure regulation, which I appreciate a lot on both of them. So if you grind accidentally a little too fine on traditional machines, what would happen is the machine it counts the water and it would notice that the water wheel is slowing down and stopping, and it would just abort the shot. But these both seem to regulate the pressure a little bit in order to be able to keep that shot going so you don't have to waste it, and therefore the shot doesn't get aborted and it finishes. So that's the nice thing about both of these. I would say drink quality really very similar, but this still does have some advantages. Number one, it's slightly cheaper. Number two, this has only got time-based dosing on the La Specialista. And on the Ninja Luxe Cafe series, you've actually got a scale here in the cradle so that you always get the same dose. And I think that's awesome. Another thing that's better is you can look at this, remove the hopper. That way you can get at the burrs if you want to clean them, or if you get anything stuck in there. Very nice. With the La Specialista, forget about it. This bean hopper doesn't come off. And one last advantage I can think about right away is this makes also cold milk foam. So in the summertime, if you want to pull yourself a cool drink and put cool milk foam on top, you can do it with the Ninja. You cannot do it with the La Specialista Opera. So therefore, I do still think that the Ninja beats the La Specialista in features and on price. The only thing I will say is it's much easier to get La Specialistas apart than it is to get this Ninja apart. So if you ever need to fix anything, the Ninja is really very difficult to get open. Now, before we go further in the video, I do want to mention I'm going to put a link down below for the ES701 so that you can take a look for yourself. You've been waiting for it. You can buy it through that link. It is an affiliate link, so it helps out the channel if you buy through it. Now, let's talk about availability. So right now, I know a lot of people are going to be offended that the ES701 is only available in the States and not, the rest of the world. So people are going to ask, I know in the comments, they're going to say, Tom, when do you think it's going to be available in Europe? And I really don't know. All I know is that Ninja's quite slow to roll this product out. And I've also monitored it, and I've noticed they're very often out of stock. So even though it's available in the USA right now, we'll see how this video ages. It could very well be that down the road they run out of stock in the USA too. So when do I think it's going to be in stock in Europe? If I had to take a guess, I would say probably by the holidays 2025. So maybe by November, December 2025. I think that's a realistic guess, but that's only a guess. And in the States, I think if you want the ES701, if you like the ES601 and you're intrigued by a better steam wand, by the included tamper, and by the water spout, then I would say get one now while they're in stock. That would be my advice to you if you're interested in it. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. I hope that some of you guys who've been waiting for the ES701 have been alerted to it, and you can, think about getting one if you want. And also check out the videos that I've already done on the Ninja Luxe Cafe series. Until next time, I say happy coffee drinking and happy espresso drinking. Bye now.